We're following new developments today in the death of a reserve police officer in eastern Oregon. The man suspected of shooting and killing Nissa Police Corporal Joseph Johnson made his first court appearance today. This while law enforcement held a procession to transfer Johnson's remains to the funeral home. And just about an hour ago, authorities gave a public update on the case. Backing up a little now, Johnson was shot to death this past Saturday in Nissa in Malheur County near the Idaho border. The man accused of shooting and killing him is Rene Castro. On Saturday night, Johnson responded to reports of a man later identified as Castro who was damaging property and making threats. When Johnson arrived on the scene, police say Castro took off. He eventually pulled over, and police say witnesses saw Castro get out of his car and immediately start shooting at Johnson, who was still in his patrol car. After a manhunt that lasted more than a day, police arrested Castro on Monday in Ontario. The Malheur County DA is charging Castro with 5 counts: aggravated murder, first-degree murder, unlawful use of a firearm, being a felon in possession of a firearm, and fleeing or attempting to flee a police officer. The 2 murder charges are for the same death, but the district attorney, Goldthorpe, says they are for 2 different levels of severity. It was also mentioned that Castro was on probation when he was arrested. His next appearance will be this Friday, April 21st. At this afternoon's news conference, the Malheur County District Attorney said the grand jury will now determine whether they support, modify, or add to the charges against Castro.
As far as the case goes, I can do what I can do. I can charge what the law allows me to charge, and I can seek the consequences that I can seek. And I hope that that does bring some kind of sense of relief to the community, knowing that we do the best that we can with the tools that we have.
The authorities at the news conference offered their condolences to Officer Johnson's family and friends. They also asked anyone who has more information about the case to call Oregon State Police.